Okay, so picking up where we left off in the last video, I want to talk. This should be a short video. Should. There's a couple different ways to start this array. I can put the brackets, the square brackets, either here. I can also put them here, right here. And let's go ahead and run this. It runs just fine. So you have two options. Either you can put them here, or you can put them here. And that's how you can assign that variable here. Now me, I don't like to put this because this looks like the variable name. That's just my personal choice. I like to put them on the actual type, so I know that this is of an array, this type array, to this variable name. But it doesn't matter. It's up to you. Okay. Now we have these variables here. Let's go ahead and keep those. What we can do. Now this is what I wanted to cover in this video. What if we did this, right? Of course we have to have the size. Inside here, I don't know if I was clear on the last video, this represents the size of the array. So that means this could go through 0 through 8. But let's say we can actually assign all the values here. So 4, 7, 1, 6, 8, 3. And let's go ahead and destroy these. Okay. So what did this do? Notice that we don't have a size in here now. But the size is already determined to be 6. Let's go ahead and run this. And it's just the same as it was before. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Of course it prints 3. So let's say we print the second element, which is index number 1. Yep, it prints it. Let's say we go 4. And it prints 8. So this is 5 and this is 4. So this is one way. This is another way to assign our variables at once. Now, what if you had 1,000 variables? You're not going to hand type in 1,000 at a time. So I think I'm going to stop the video right here and set up the while loop for the next video. But I just wanted to show you that this is optional right here. That was the main takeaway of this. Well, that was the second main takeaway. This is the main takeaway: how you can assign all your variables at once using curly brackets, curly bracket, instead of giving this a number here. Yeah, you can't type in a number; it throws an error. Let's see what the error says. Expected a semicolon, not a statement. Whatever. All right, we'll get rid of it. Yeah, if you're gonna do this notation, you have to leave the size blank, and the size is already determined to be 6 when you establish it this way. Alright, thank you for watching. Now we're going to pick up a little bit more in the next video on arrays. There's still a couple more videos left.